Rewind! Hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is week 17. Right, okie dokie guys, I'm going to put you all on spotlight so you can show me individually. So let me see Clarissa's first of all. Let's have a look. Show me. Oh, what is on your fabric? I can't quite tell.
It's like little
oh, it's tigers and dinosaurs and turtles. That's really cute. I love it. Draw it up for us. Wonderful. Ta-da! Well done. Let's have a look at Lika's. Hang on, let me put you on spotlight. There we go. Oh, lovely. Nice red one. Red and pink. That's
I was quite happy that I didn't have to have different colour sides. I managed to find something in my stash that I could make it in a matching colour.
Excellent.
Really good.
That's really good, especially if you've managed to completely stash bust. Let's have a look at Catherine's. Let's have a look at yours, my lovely. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, lovely. A gorgeous fabric. The swans. Oh, is that Tula pink?
No, I'm not sure what it is. It's just something I had in the stash, so I thought, I'll use it up.
It's really pretty.
Oh, it's lovely.
Love that. Right, Maddie, let's have a look at yours. Aha. Oh, that's funky. Graffiti fabric.
That's lovely.
Is that stash?
It's a duvet.
Oh, is it? Awesome.
It's an Audi one.
Wonderful. Right. Okie doke. Let's put you all back on here. So if we can just have a quick hello, everyone.
Hello.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh, it's been brilliant. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
No worries. So I just finished that class. As you can see, it was really successful. Made some really lovely bags. It's really good. I really enjoy teaching online. It's much harder work, as I said last week, or I might have said it earlier this week. In fact, I haven't even said hello yet, have I? No! Oh my goodness, how rubbish am I? Rewind! Hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is week 17. There we go. Yeah, so I finished that class. It was really good. I have just put a buttonhole into my jewellery roll, which I made last week or the week before last. Hadn't got round to doing that yet. Made up a few kits and got some orders and things dispatched, and I've done a little live stream. If you're not on Facebook, then you'll need to go and have a little look. I will put the link down below in the description if I remember. But I did a little live stream on Instagram and Facebook about sort of what I think the plans are likely to be for reopening. Just purely based on speculation, but I've done a bit of maths and a bit of calculating date wise, and I've written some notes that I made for my session, and I've highlighted the dates that I mentioned in it, and I'm going to put it on the pin board because I just would be really interested to see if my predictions come true, see if it all pans out as I originally said. So I've written the date on the piece of paper, put it on the pin board, and we shall see if my predictions come true and if I am indeed psychic and therefore should get a job as a government advisor. We shall see. Anyway, I'm going to do some filming now, film some of the courses and content that I'm going to get out over the next couple of weeks. So I won't come back on again today. Tomorrow is Saturday. Oh my gosh, I'm so losing track of my life right now. Tomorrow is Saturday and I've got more filming to do tomorrow, so I will see you again then. Good afternoon, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Monday, and actually I realised I didn't pick the camera up at all on Saturday when I said I would, which is a real shame because actually it's a right state here at the moment. Now it's a bit of a lie because I did pick the camera up, but I was filming 2 video courses for my sewing club members and a tutorial of how to make a felt rainbow, which is now up on my YouTube channel, so you should have seen that already. If not, I'll link it up here. But I've come in today because I've got about 8 different crochet kits to send out to people. There's been a real run over the weekend of people wanting to learn to crochet, which is lovely. So thank you to everybody who has been enjoying the course and posting it on social media, because that's certainly upped the number of people that have been purchasing. So I've got lots of those to package up and send out, and then I'm also going to have a tidy up because I left here on Saturday and I just decided to shut the door on it all and leave a complete and utter mess. Let me show you. So as you can see, I've got all the bits over here from where I was doing my rainbow. That was the last thing that I filmed, and I've literally just left it out on the table. Down on the floor here are the materials that I was using for one of my courses that I just threw on the floor as I was going. Yeah, I think I might need to do some hoovering. You can see literally right in the middle of sewing a rainbow, and I just totally abandoned everything. So it is a right state in here right now. That's weird, the printer's just started printing. What's it printing? Ah, that's really spooky. So yesterday while I was at home, I was printing off homework for my son and a load of stuff didn't come out of the printer, and now I know why. I'd obviously sent it to print at the BTHQ printer, but because I wasn't connected to the BTHQ printer, it's just stayed in the memory of my laptop until I've got here, and as I've got here, put my laptop down, the printer's gone, oh, I'll print that homework now. That scared the life out of me. Anyway, time for a tidy up. As you can see, there's a lot of parcels going out today. Packages are all good to go. I'm good to go. We may or we may not come back in tomorrow. It depends whether we have any more orders. If we don't, we'll stay at home. And if we do, we'll come in. Otherwise, I'll see you Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Who knows? I'm definitely back in on Wednesday because I have got class prep to do. So I'll see you when I next see you. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday. I am back at BTHQ. This afternoon I'm taking a one-to-one class with Elspeth. She is going to be teaching me how to make scrap fabric notebook covers. She's been busy beavering away working out how to do it back at home. So now she's going to show me to do it via the power of Zoom, so that I can then teach it as a class online in the next couple of weeks. So I've got all my little scraps here. These are all little shreds that I've been saving from all the various projects that I've been doing that would normally just go in the bin, but I've been saving them diligently because I knew that she had this little project up her sleeve. So all of this is going to be turned into beautiful fabric, so I'll show you how I get on. And here we see the lesser spotted Elspeth, busy at her sewing machine. I don't know if she can hear us. Say hello, Elspeth.
Hello, Claire.
It's BTHQ Banter.
All right. Hello, Claire. Hello, BTHQ.
Good afternoon, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Wednesday. I've actually been busy all morning. I made this lovely little scrap busting pouch this morning. So it's got a little bit of quilt as you go in it. It teaches you how to put tabbed zippers in. It's just a really nice simple scrap buster. The lining is made out of an old bed sheet. You can see in here it's just like a floral cotton bed sheet. I'm really trying to do everything I can at the moment making things out of my scraps. In fact, I'm using the same basket of scraps in my sewing area. I'm not even delving into my other scrap baskets, so you'll notice this is all similar fabrics that I used to do my sew together pouch. Whoop. There we go, so you can see all similar fabrics. So these all ended up in my scrap basket. So I'm just trying to kind of get as much as I can out of the scraps that I have to hand, because I'm aware that the majority of people who are doing our online courses aren't in a position to potentially get fabric in. So as long as they've got wadding and a few basic supplies, then this should be okay. So that's going to be online as a course really soon. The other one, I'm not sure if I showed you yesterday or not. I did actually finish my notebook cover that I made with Elspeth. Oh, bright light. And that is now also online as a Zoom class, which you can take with me on either the 1st or the 2nd of May. So I've got a few more bits I want to do today. While I'm here, I'm going to use the space to trace off the Sirocco jumpsuit by Deer and Doe, and then I'm going to take it all home. I'm going to take my overlocker and my sewing machine home with me, and I'm going to spend tomorrow, which is supposed to be my day off, sewing this up. So we will see how I go. Scrap that Sirocco idea. I made a start on the top once I cut it all out, and I'm blowed if I can get the waistband to look any good. I've got a really cheap crappy jersey, so I'm not taking it home. I'll come back to it another day. So that is another week of BTHQ Banter over and done with. It's not been very interesting this week, I do apologise. I've got lots done, but not really very much exciting things for you to see. But hopefully next week will be a little bit more interesting. I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye!